Hello friends, let's see the unboxing of Samsung A32 5G. It's a US version. I already opened to check how's the phone, so open again. And it comes with some paperwork. The phone, a 15-watt charger, and USB-C cable, and a SIM ejector. There is no printing of like Samsung A32 5G or anything inside, but in some other country versions you can see. And it's a 6.5 TFT HD display. And it looks good. Has a quad camera system. The main camera is 48 megapixel, and this one macro is 5 megapixel, and the ultra wide 8, and depth camera sensor is just 2 MP, but the photos are not that great. Let's see how it's boot up, and there is no name like Galaxy A32 or anything before it used to have it. So this is the welcome screen, as it's the HD display. You can see it's not that clear, not crisp, and it's just a TFT display. And I checked it, and the colors are not vibrant. So let me set this up and show you how it's inside, like the apps and all. As you see, it's coming with a side mount fingerprint sensor, and here I'm setting it up. So to put a pass pin or pattern or password, put thing. After putting the pin, it's asking to scan the fingerprint. So it's feel like it's fast. So now they're asking for the Samsung account. Let's escape. Yes, this is the first boot up. It's coming like this, and many things are getting updated because I have given the Wi-Fi and set up the Google account. So So let's wait for it to update. So because many apps are getting updated, I think. So this one comes with Android 11. So it has NFC. It has NFC here. So we can do the Samsung Pay with NFC. And it's like, as I said, it's a 6.5 HD display on TFT panel. It has like 5000 mAh battery. Seems like it's give 2-day battery. Let's see. And the camera, I will check it and I will upload the photos and videos. This looks smooth. And then it's come with 4 GB memory and 64 GB storage. As this is still updating, so I also bought a case for this phone from Amazon. So let's see, this fits here. Yeah, and this looks okay for this phone. This is mainly a budget phone. It was like, I got it for $240 and it's okay for the use. If you're a gamer, it is not that good processor for the gaming. It comes with MediaTek Dimensity 720 processor. I mean the chip. So it looks like it is useful for the daily, like normal WhatsApp and video calls, mail, chats, but it's not good for the like hardcore gaming or anything. I'll just show you the CPUs, these cores. I mean, so this is like 8 core, that's a Dimensity 720G chip. And it comes with 4 GB RAM, and in that most of the time it's like you'll get 1 GB free, and the internal storage like 64 GB, and out of that use available is 50.
Use the time warp scan filter and see if your dog or cat can sit
And
as still
that's the
as
ad. And the battery is like 5000 mAh, and the sensors, mainly it has accelerometer, magnetometer, gyroscope. Then it has some Samsung like gain rotation vector, gravity sensor, acceleration sensor, rotation vector sensor, orientation sensors. We'll check the Geekbench once it's like fully updated. Okay. And like if your budget is like below 300, I mean 250, I mean 300, 250, you can go with this phone. And it has a 5G band. T-Mobile like have a 2 bands of 5G, and T-Mobile works. And I don't know about other networks. And like you'll get the 4G, 3G, 2G like. Then it comes with some of the Microsoft apps, LinkedIn, OneDrive, Outlook, and the Samsung apps. Airzone, Galaxy, Wearable, Health, Member, Samsung TV, Smart Things. I've deleted actually Facebook and Netflix from these, and also has the Samsung Pay. This is like NFC based, so you can use this as a wallet. And these are the Google apps. You have some Samsung Global Goals app, Samsung Free, lots of Samsung apps, Note, Calendar, Contact, Camera, Internet, all are Samsung. And Galaxy Store, so you have mainly Samsung apps. And this is actually a TFT display and it's 90 Hz, so if you feel like it's a little faster, so usually what I do, and this is the edge, so usually what I do was like I mean just switch off the animation, so usually it's feel like it's very fast. See the camera I showed you, like it comes with macro setup, portrait, and here filters. The setup like optimizers and video you can record it in 30 Full HD 30 FPS, Ultra HD 30 FPS, and HD 30 FPS. And we have a macro mode, night, food, air, doodle, pro, panorama, but so not that great actually. The photos are not looking that very good, but it's okay. Just don't feel like it's bad. The same way about the display also, it's not very bad, but it's not up to the level of AMOLED, but that's the only difference. It's a 90 Hz display, as I said, it's feel fast, and it's okay for all the daily purpose. I just put a scene and you can see that it shows 5G, and let's move into LTE and the 5G. This is a Leica mobile scene. It's like an MVNO of T-Mobile, and 5G is working with this phone. So now let's see. The Geekbench score. Well, let's see run the Geekbench and we'll see what's the score. Yeah, this is the Geekbench score. So the single core score is 434 and the multi-core 1672. So it's showing like it's the Android 11, Samsung, and the processor is ARM MT6853B with 4 GB memory. So yeah, this is the score. So it looks like it's not a gamer phone, just like a daily user phone. So those who are not doing gaming, or like me, just WhatsApp and all, can buy these. It's value for money. Can't say value for money, but this is the only available mobile at this price. There is no Chinese smartphone available Here only OnePlus is available, but why I bought this, because like this gives 2-year update, software update, and 4 years of security updates. So I can use this for 4 years without a problem if nothing happens to this. So that's why I bought this. Now I'll take some of the pictures and videos and I'll upload it, and also I'll use this for 2 weeks and I'll tell you like is it good or not, like how is my experience. That's what. Okay. Okay then. Thank you for watching.